Dude, turn around right there, look at this. Coyote right there. Look at that. We still got wildlife here. That's a trip, right? We're on location here in beautiful Huntington Beach, California, filmed with Harley-Davidson of the new 2026 Super Glide. It touches on those like timeless accents. It's kind of a cool thing to see this and like, you know, the Harley's paying attention to all these bikes from the past. My wife, Lindsay, the kids, they're all here. It's kind of a cool day. You get to shoot the bike and ride this stretch of Pacific Coast Highway. 40 years I've lived here. My kids grew up here. My dad grew up here. He got me and my brothers building bikes with him. And I mean, it's been 20 years now of doing this stuff. And now Sid, my kid's pretty stoked on what he sees. So he wants to do that as well.
Big Scott, they call me. My son, Scotty, Stopnik. We're out here today with Harley-Davidson, shooting the new Super Glide. And to ride next to my son on it, put a smile on my face because I can just see where my grandson's gonna be 20 years from now. Probably doing the same thing with something even better.
Me and my dad getting to ride together, you know, we've ridden thousands of miles, you know, all over the world. And it's funny because when we come back to like this 4-mile stretch, it's like putting on those old pair of boots or sitting on that old couch that's like grooved in. It's like 3 generations and just having that like similar bond together. Feels like a pretty cool thing.